Hi, welcome back to Creative Mesa. Today we're going to make dessert recipe caramel pudding. Just two main ingredients, that is 2 eggs and 200 grams of milk made. Let's get started. Few drops of vanilla essence, 1 cup warm water, half a cup of sugar and 4 tablespoons of water for caramel sauce. I'm using 6-inch oval pan here. Cut aluminium foil to cover on top based on the size of this pan. Now let's make caramel sauce. In a fresh clean pan, take half a cup of sugar, 4 tablespoons of water and then melt the sugar to make the caramel sauce. It will take some time but be patient, don't burn it. The sugar starts melting, it will brown up when it is in the caramel sauce consistency. Now quickly pour it into the prepared pan. Remember the pan is going to get very hot, so have gloves handy and swirl it so that it covers the whole bottom of the pan. I was not having the gloves, so it got very hot and I was not able to swirl it fast. So a part of the pan was not covered. So the key is to do it fast. Now let's make the egg mixture in a bowl. Crack open 2 eggs. Add vanilla essence. I've also added a drop of butterscotch essence. Beat it very well. So in a separate bowl, add 1 cup of warm water and 200 grams of condensed milk. Mix well. Strain the egg mixture and pour into this. Mix well. Pour this mixture gently onto the caramel pan. Cover it with the aluminium foil. We are going to steam cook it for half an hour. I am going to use rice cooker. Remove the aluminium foil as it might contain some water droplets. Let it completely cool and then refrigerate for 2 hours. After refrigerating for 2 hours, place a flat plate like this on top of the caramel pudding and then flip it. Your caramel pudding is ready. Enjoy!